And if we're talking about Europe, that's the thing that shocks me.
मुझे लगता है अपनी नाकामियों को छिपाने के लिए भारत को बदनाम करने का ठेका ले रखा है।
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's lecture at Cambridge University wasn't enough to insult India, that he has once again betrayed the nation in London and indirectly instigated the US and Europe to interfere in India's internal matters. While in London, Rahul Gandhi alleged that India suddenly went non-democratic.
How would you react if democracy suddenly disappeared in Europe? Right? You'd be shocked and you'd be like, oh my God, that's a massive blow to democracy. Well, how would you react if something, a structure 3.5 times Europe suddenly went non-democratic? Right? That's happened already.
He further hints that defenders of democracy, the US and Europe, must sanction India in order to restore democracy in the nation.
And if we're talking about Europe, that's the thing that shocks me. There's no reaction, right? And of course, there are reasons for there not being a reaction. There is sort of trade and there's money and stuff like that.
Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Thakur took a dig at Rahul Gandhi and said that Rahul has taken a contract to defame India from a foreign land.
किसी का भी दुरुपयोग करके भारत को बदनाम करने का कोई मौका नहीं छोड़ेगा। मुझे लगता है अपनी नाकामियों को छिपाने के लिए एक सुनियोजित तरीके से विदेशी सरजमीन से राहुल गांधी जी ने भारत को बदनाम करने का ठेका ले रखा है।
Rahul Gandhi is one of those leaders who repeatedly denounce India and its democratic system while being on foreign soil.